In this video, we are going to write down a code for the table. So this is the table. What is the question? Write the HTML code for creating the following table on the web page. So this table we have to attach within the web page. Indeed, we have to write down the HTML code, right? So this table, what we have got? Obviously, this table have got the border. That's why we have written the table and the attribute border and value 1, 2, 3 whatsoever. So this is very tiny. That's why we have written 1. Anyways, how many column here within the table? So column number 1, column number 2, and column number 3. The very important thing is the row number. So here is the row, started row. So for that row, we have to write down the code tr, started here, tr. Afterward, science, commerce, and humanities. By the way, science, commerce, and humanities have written in bold, right? Indeed, we have to declare the table header, closing table header, and closing table header. First one is science, afterward commerce. Let's copy this one. Commerce, afterward humanities, right? Now the table row need to be closed, so closing tag tr, right? So the first one have done, science, commerce, humanities, right? Afterward, what we have got? We have got the row number 2. So this is actually the row number. So here will be the row number 2. Indeed, we again start with another tr. So here need to be write down another tr, right? And here, as we have seen, A, B, C, D, here actually the order list have written physics, chemistry, math, and the biology within the second row, first column or first cell, and afterward accounting, management, finance, unordered list, disk wise. Afterward, the last one for the row number 2 will be history, Islamic history, home science, and economics by using order list Roman 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Right? So tr, afterward, what we have to write? We have to write the table data. Why table data? Because started with the left and this is normal text. That's why we should not write down the table header. Table data is enough to present these values. Within the first tables data, order list, OL, and here presented by A, B, C, D. So this is order list, type A. So this double inverted comma is not mandatory, but we have just written because of in HSC and other exam, some textbook have written the double inverted comma. That's why we have written. Otherwise, if we not write down the double inverted comma, it doesn't make any sense or any impact on the code. Anyways, afterward, list, right? So first list, what is physics, second chemistry, math, and biology simultaneously. So write down the physics list, close. Let's copy this one for write down the code faster. So afterward, chemistry, afterward list, math, close this, afterward list, again biology, closing the list, right? And OL need to be closed as well. So OL closing, table data closing, and TR closing as well. No, TR not yet closed, right? So this one just have finished this part by closing the TD. Again, we have to write one more data. So let's write down here table data, and this time it is an order list start from accounting, so it need to be write down UL and type. Of course, this is a disk, so need to be write down disk. Afterward, list, what need to be write down? Accounting. Afterward, management. Afterward, finance. The last one would be this step, statistics. Okay, so UL closed, table data close. Again, we have to write down the table data for order list, right? Indeed, for this one history, so this is order list 1 2 3 4 in Roman number. Indeed, it should be write down order list OL and type. What we have to write? I. Type I. Afterward, it need to be written here history. Afterward, Islamic history. Afterward, home science, and last but not the least, that is economics, right? So this is OL, need to be closed as OL, and table data completed, and the table row we have started for row number 2 started here, and here need to be closed. So closing tag. Afterward, table, so here table closing, so table started from here, now table closing, body closing, and last very important thing is the HTML code closing as well. So this is the code, right? Now start the run button. So this is actually the output. So let's match with the question. So this is the table, science, commerce, humanities. By the way, here H is uppercase, here is lowercase, doesn't matter. We have to change the humanities. Where is humanities? Here need to be changed as uppercase. Anything else? No, nothing. Okay, everything is okay. It looks different compared to this image, like so. Indeed, if we expand this one, so this is actually the output table. Hope you understand. If there are any question, please ask me. Take care.